If you're tired of losing your trades, then you need to incorporate this one key thing into your trading strategy. And I'll be showing you exactly how I use this to catch trades just like this and increase your win rate. It's no secret that this fuels the market. And you're probably expecting me to say something complex or complicated, but nah, it's literally just liquidity. If you incorporate these two types of liquidity into your trading strategy, I can guarantee you will make more money. Here's how I did it. So here's this trade right here. You can see it was a 1 to 2.67 risk to reward. You can see I sold here and it ended up dipping way lower. This was a huge candle. I want to show you guys what I was thinking live while this trade was playing out. The main reason I sold was obviously because of what I told you guys about liquidity, but it was more than just liquidity. If we looked at the 1 hour, we see that price broke below this low. You can see this low right here was broken by this red candle. This red candle broke below this low. The candle body closed below that low, so we were officially bearish. So I was on the 5-minute chart and I waited for liquidity to engineer. What I noticed was these equal lows right here. After we left equal lows, we were retracing back into the range. I didn't really expect it to take out this high because we already tapped into like this big order block here and this fair value gap. So after we retraced into that, expecting the price to tap into this order block and then continue lower to this liquidity, which it did, and it went to this low, and then obviously it went way further. Literally just a 1 hour market structure shift. So price was bearish. Then when price was bearish, I waited for price to engineer liquidity to show me that it actually wants to go down. So I just waited for price to retrace into this order block. Then I took my sell, and obviously it dumped like crazy, which I did not expect it to do that. That candle was pretty insane. Might have been a news event, I have no idea. But that's literally all this is market structure break, waiting for price to engineer liquidity, and then on the 5-minute time frame, and then finding a good entry on the 5-minute time frame. And that was about it. Now, you can't just use liquidity, you also have to use other things, and if you want to learn what those other things are, watch this video right here.